Introduce highlight features or overview summary for OVZIOCO Tablet PC 10-inch. You can find wanted, shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs, filter by specification type, brand and more. Highlight features or overview summary are include: efficient Android 11 system. The tablet is equipped with the latest Google Android 11 certification system. You can download Netflix, YouTube, Facebook, Skype, Disney+, Minecraft and other apps directly from Google Play. Wi-Fi, Bluetooth. Tablet PC supports 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi, 2.4 GHz signal is stable, long distance. 4.0 powerful Bluetooth function for network sharing. Provide a more comfortable experience for entertainment, browsing, gaming, and shopping. Note, this is the Wi-Fi tablet version, SIM card is not supported. Ultra-high performance. The newly updated Android 11 tablet is equipped with 3+32 GB internal storage space, expandable to 128 GB, 4-core fast response CPU, tablet frequency up to 1.6 GHz. To ensure fast loading speed of the tablet and stable operating system, it allows you to switch apps easily and effortlessly. Meet your needs for gaming, watching movies, browsing websites, or reading. Resolution and dual cameras. The 10-inch tablet features an HD IPS screen that offers an unparalleled visual experience, excellent contrast, and excellent amazing colors. 1280x800 widescreen appearance. The screen adopts G+G technology, so that the touch response is fast. The 10-inch tablet Android 11 has dual 2+8 megapixel cameras to take great photos and make video calls, video conferences, etc. with family or friends. Work, study, entertainment. The OVZIOCO K16 tablet is compatible with WPS and Office desktop files such as WPS, Word, Excel, PPT, PDF and other editing and file management applications that can be downloaded through the Play Store. The tablet is equipped with 2 megapixel front camera, 8 megapixel rear camera, dual speakers, children query homework and a very good learning tool. It can also realize you and family, friends and colleagues to make voice and video calls, happy chat, communication is infinitely good. Record and connect life's best moments. If you want to get full highlight features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, you can press to subscribe us, and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.